Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Heba Ghaffar and today in this video I will give you overview of journal bacteriology. This section consists of 13 chapters and we will overview each chapter one by one. So in chapter number 1, bacteria compared with other microorganisms. This chapter is not important for the SCQ point of view. You just need to read the whole chapter. We have table number 1.1. This is important. Then we have the table number 1.2, comparison of medically important organisms. And then we have the table number 1.3, characteristic of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. And just memorize the pearls of this chapter. This will be enough. And then structure of the bacterial cells. This is also not important chapter. You just need to read the whole chapter. You should know about the structure of the bacteria, cell wall, and then the cell wall of the gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Yeah, but the tables of this chapter is very much important. I will tell you further. This table is important, bacterial structures. Then this is the first most important SCQ of this section, comparison of the cell walls of gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Then we should know about the peptidoglycan. We should know about the beta-lactamase. This figure is important, figure 2.4. And then this is the second most important SCQ of this section, medically important bacteria that cannot be seen in the gram stain. Basically, this gram staining, you will cover this topic in your practical section. And then we should know about the lipopolysaccharides, teichoic acids, cytoplasmic membrane, cytoplasm, you just need to read this, nucleoid, plasmids, and then we have the transposons, flagella, pili, and glycocalyx. You just need to read this. And then we have, this is an important topic, bacterial spores, but topic will be covered in this table. You just need to do this table, not to read the whole theory. This table is important features of spores and their medical implications, and also do the pearls of this chapter. And then we have the chapter number 3. This is the most important chapter of this section. The whole chapter is very much important. Growth cycle. We should know about the doubling time of Escherichia coli, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. We should know about the lag phase, log phase. This diagram is very important for the SCQ point of view. We should know about the stationary phase. We should know about the obligate intercellular growth. And then aerobic and anaerobic growth is important for the SCQ point of view. And then you just need to read the iron metabolism. Then chapter number 4, genetics. In genetics, you just need to do the definition of mutations and its types. We have the types over here: missense mutation, frameshift mutation, nonsense mutation. And then this is the most important topic for the SCQ point of view: transfer of DNA between the bacterial cells. Conjugation, we should know about this topic in detail with their diagrams. And then we have the transduction. We should know these whole steps with diagram. And then we have the transformation. You just need to read the recombination. Then we have the chapter number 5, classification of medically important bacteria. Basically, you just need to do this table of this chapter, and it will be easy for you guys to do this table when you will do your special bacteriology. It will be very easy for you guys to memorize this table after special bacteriology. And then we have the human microbiome. You should know the definition of the human microbiome, normal flora and commensals. You should know about these. What are these? And then we have this. These both tables are important. Normal flora, these both are important for the SCQ point of view and for the MCQ's point of view. You should know about these 3 points. No need to do the detail of these points. And then we have, this is very much important for the SCQ point of view. Important members of the normal flora, very much important from this chapter. So this is all about first 6 chapters of the basic bacteriology. Further chapters we will cover in the next video. I hope this video is useful for you. If you really like it, please give it a huge thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz.